Good morning, my friends. My name is Sally Kasper here again. Today I'm going to show you another painting. It's very easy. It was like, let me see, how many colors? Black, brown, white, green, mostly brown, and white. And a very little tiny of maybe green, mostly white and brown combination. Okay, so please give me a like. Please like and give me a comment if it is good or not. I will appreciate it. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, here we go, my friend. Here is the painting. I'm using this one. It's like a small sponge for the green. So I put like that. So it's very easy. A bit white. And then for the birds, put a little bit. So that one will not be very lonely, so I put some birds. A little bit more. You can put any detail you like. Maybe a little bit here and there. Maybe a little bit twigs that's hiding over here. And if you make a mistake, just put some, like this sponge and hide it. Something like that. You can do whatever you like. Maybe add a little bit of like that. And maybe a little bit twigs in the side. Maybe a little bit there. Because you don't want the trees to be falling apart, right? You need to have like the twigs here and there. And maybe I'll make another one of like this painting. It's like a partner of this painting. But maybe I put some flowers in the other side. And make sure your birds have a little bit of, show an indication that the birds have feet, right? Something like that. And remember, there's the mountain that I drew earlier, because make sure that the mountain will fit. because it's, you know, when it's tiny. And make sure that you can see. You know. Now this is the background of the mountain I did earlier. I lay out, so because if that one is small, make sure that it will fit. Okay. Mountain is a little bit far, so you need to it's like an indication that there's a mountain. And then if you make a mistake, just put it some green. See that? Put a little bit white. See? So you can do whatever you like to do. We'll hide that one a little bit. Maybe put a little bit more trees. Something like that. Put a little bit of more green here and there. So it will not be like a lonely. Something like that, right? And maybe put something like that. And then I'm going to make a partner of this one. So what do you think, my friends? I'm going to make a partner of this. So because it's kind of like thin, long, so I will try to put a partner so it will look good. Okay, I will see you in a little bit. I will show you when it's completely done, dry, and signed. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, my friend, this is the partner of my other painting. It's very simple also. It's the same thing. I lay out the canvas. I put a little mountain here and there. And then you can put whatever color you like also. So I use the same process, except this one is, the other one has a bird. This one is just flowers in the other side, so it will not be completely the same. So you can put on any color, but this one I just use one color, because sometimes in the country you can see flowers similar to this, not exactly, but similar to this flower, but you can put whatever color you like. Just put a little highlight here and there. And I can put a little bit detail here and there. But anybody can do this because this is like almost like a kid's drawing. Anybody can, and you can put more detail if you like. See, it's just like that. Just like almost like you're making a fan like that. Or you can make circles. Except this one, the circles is not. Even. See? And maybe put a little bit, little twigs here and there, brown. Maybe mix with a little black. So as you notice, I am using only one brush here, and also sponge. And of course the primer, I use the big brush, and also here and there. So I just pick brush whatever that feels I want to use. Or you can put more data, whatever you like. And this one is, or you can use red flower or people like, they have their own idea, whatever they like, whatever color of the flowers they like, you can do that too. Mine, I just make it simple, so I don't have it will not be too long for me to download the video. That's why most of my videos are short videos, because it will take a long time to download the videos. So here we go. Maybe a little bit here, up here. There, or whatever color you like, you know. And if you think you want to put more green, on the trees, you can do that too, you know. And if you think it's a little bit dark, then you can lighten it with white or yellow. You know, you can just put whatever you like. Okay, and I think that's good for now. And my friends, give me a comment, okay? If you like the painting, give me a comment. And you know, painting is kind of simple, but I love it. See the mountain and the flowers and a little bit of the trees. And that's it, my friends. Very simple. And you can put yellow in the flowers, but I decided to make some simple white because I always see this one in our above the pasture, so I decided to put just like simple flowers. And you know, my friend, this is the partner of the other painting. So it's very easy. It's just only green, white, yellow, pinkish for the mountain, you know, and you can put darker if you like. Mine, I use this one and use the sponge. Very easy. Okay, I'll talk to you next time. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, please. Thank you so much, and you have a good afternoon. Bye.